Today was an awesome day. It was about technology. It was about equity. It was about ensuring that students, no matter where they live, no matter what they look like, get an opportunity to not only learn about drones, but to also compete and learn the technology. I'm Dr. William Cooper. I am the director of the Learning Technology Grant for District 27. We just want to say thank you to Vivid Imagination for producing this awesome drone competition, the first annual drone competition for District 27 and District 29. We had 7 awesome schools here today, and each of them was just performed way beyond our expectations.
Hi, I'm Mr. Malchow. I work at PSMS 114. This is our first time doing drone soccer, and the kids loved it. It was amazing. We really hope that it continues on so we can participate even more.
Hi, my name is Michael Taylor. I'm a teacher at Waterside School for Leadership. And I think this event was amazing. The camaraderie of the kids, the sportsmanship, everyone having a good time and just enjoying. It was just an amazing event, and my kids enjoyed it, and I know the other kids enjoyed it too. So
I think the main benefit of something like this is it's a hands-on experience. So you get to really experience and dig in and play around with something and not worry about making mistakes or flying into a wall. So it's just a good time for all.
Learning about drones is going to offer a lot of opportunities in the future, and letting our kids get a head start now will hopefully ensure that one day they'll be the ones behind the cameras, behind instructing people how to use drones, and making our world a better and safer place.
Florida has 15 and 124 has won this championship.
My name is Nathan. I'm from PSMS 114, and today went good. It was fun. I liked the competition and the obstacle course. It was really fun. This is something they should bring to all the schools.
my partnership working with Vivid Imagination is a great one, and I look forward to continuing this because I can see the benefits that our kids have from being able to participate in something like this. And I just look forward to seeing more kids as my kids are leaving and graduating. The next ones that we come, we can build it and make it an even better thing than what it is now.
Well, in first place, we have Chris from
17.7 seconds.
Awesome.
To beat us next year.
Vivid has been terrific. They're teaching you how to do it together.
Vivid Imagination is a very professional company. They took care of everything today. I didn't have to think about anything from setup to breakdown to organizing the teachers, referee the games, teaching the kids how to play the games. I gave them a vision for what we wanted to do, and they were able to bring it together. So I'm truly grateful for this partnership, and I look forward to this partnership in the future.